What would you do if a crocodile suddenly lunged out of the water and grabbed you? Would you freeze? Would you fight? Would you know the one thing that could save your life? Most people think it's impossible to survive, but today, we're going to dive deep into the mind-blowing story of someone who did, and learn exactly what it takes to escape the jaws of this ancient predator. So, what's the first thing you should do if you find yourself in this nightmare scenario? Believe it or not, the absolute worst thing you can do is play dead. A crocodile isn't a bear. It won't lose interest if you stop moving. In fact, it will see you as an easy meal. So, your first move is to fight back with everything you've got. But how do you fight something that powerful? Do you punch it? Do you scream? Here's the secret. You need to target its most sensitive spot. What do you think that is? The belly? The tail? No, the most vulnerable part of a crocodile is its eyes. They are extremely sensitive and crucial for hunting. If you can gouge, poke, or strike the crocodile's eyes, you have a real chance. The intense pain can disorient it enough for it to release its grip. That's exactly what one survivor did. While being pulled into a death roll, he remembered this vital tip and aimed for the eyes. It saved his life. But what if you can't reach the eyes? Is there another weak point? Yes, there is. Crocodiles have special valves at the back of their throat that prevent water from entering their lungs when they resubmerged. These are called palatal valves. If you can shove your arm or any object deep into its throat, you can force these valves open. This will cause water to flood its lungs, and the crocodile will be forced to let you go to avoid drowning itself. It's a desperate move, but it works. So, let's recap the survival checklist. If a crocodile attacks, what's rule number 1? Don't play dead. Rule number 2, fight back immediately and create as much noise and chaos as possible. And rule number 3, target the weak spots. Go for the eyes first, and if you can't, aim for the sensitive snout or the palatal valves in the back of its throat. Now, what about when you're on land? A common myth is that you should run in a zigzag pattern. Is this true? Absolutely not. A crocodile can run surprisingly fast in a straight line for a short burst, up to 11 miles per hour, but they are not agile and can't turn quickly. Running in a zigzag will only slow you down. Your best bet is to run as fast as you can in a straight line, away from the water and the crocodile. Get out of its territory. The biggest lesson here is that survival often comes down to knowledge and a refusal to give up. The survivor we talked about didn't just get lucky, he acted decisively based on what he knew. He fought back against an apex predator and won. So what's the biggest takeaway? Never underestimate the power of knowing what to do in a crisis. Of course, the best way to survive a crocodile attack is to avoid it altogether. How do you do that? Be aware of your surroundings. Never swim in waters where crocodiles are known to live, especially at dawn or dusk when they are most active. Don't dangle your arms or legs over the side of a boat, and never feed crocodiles or leave food scraps near the water's edge. Respect their habitat, and they'll likely leave you alone. So, the next time you hear a story about a crocodile attack, you'll know it's not always a death sentence. With the right knowledge and a will to survive, the impossible can become possible. Have you ever had a close encounter with wildlife? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more survival tips. Stay safe out there.